This video is just for education purpose.
Hey traders, welcome back to my new video. I am going to explain a sad story in this video. As you can see on my screen, I breached my 25k instant funded account from BlueGuardian. As you know, I was shared in my last payout video that I received a payout from BlueGuardian from 10k instant funded account, and I started another 25k instant funded account with BlueGuardian, and I was completed 2 profitable days in my last video. And here you can see finally I was completed 4 profitable days, and if I able to complete another day, I were able to request another payout from this 25k instant funded account, and the payout was almost $750. But I breached the account at the last day. What was the problem? Actually, it was my psychological problem because it was right before the Eid and I was in hurry to complete the day and secure my payout, but my hurriness is backfired me. Here you can see everything was correct. My consistency score was around 20. Win ratio was above 50 and I was in profit $600. I just took trade with less confirmations and in hurriness. You can see my last few trades when I blew my account. It was totally problem with my psychology. So I took a break for 1 week. After that, I will start again. Hope I will eliminate all my psychological mistake next time. I noted down everything and also I will see this dashboard again and again what I did and learn from this dashboard. Will keep posting of my funded trading journey with you guys, and I will share my strategy and trades as well. If you want to learn from my mistakes, please subscribe this channel, like this video, join my Telegram channel for perform giveaways. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.